guys, namaste. Welcome back to Ankinish Creations. Today's video is a block printing video. So in my last craft haul video, I have shown you some wooden blocks I got, and so many of you suggested to try block printing on fabric. So here I am today trying block printing on a cushion cover, and it turned out pretty good for first time block printing. So let's get started with this video. So I'm going to start by inserting a piece of cardboard exactly the size of cushion cover. By folding from both the sides, it will be easy to insert it into the cover. This will prevent any leak happening from the top portion of the cover transferring to the back side of the fabric, and it will also give you nice firm base for block printing. Now my cushion cover is ready to be painted. I am going to be using this wooden block, a foam brush and some acrylic paints. First I am dipping in my foam brush into the acrylic paint, and we need to make sure कि बहुत ज़्यादा paint नहीं bulge हो गया हो foam brush पे, and then we will dab it onto the wooden stamp. Dabbing is important so that जो डिज़ाइंस के बीच वाला पार्ट है वहाँ पे कलर फिल नहीं हो जाए, नहीं तो सारी डिज़ाइन स्मज हो जाएगी. So yeah, after dabbing it onto the wooden stamp, carefully place it on the fabric where you want to stamp it. Then we have to push it very hard like I'm doing here, and then remove it and continue the process. This was my first time trying block printing, so I was really excited to see the first print. And after that we need to dab on the paint onto the block every time we print the block. So yeah, now we need to be careful to align it properly with the first print. एक दो बार करने के बाद आइडिया आ जाएगा, एक आध बार गलती हो तो कोई बात नहीं, हैंडमेड वैसे भी वही तो हैंडमेड लुक देगा. I would say I found this printing technique very therapeutic and calming. थोड़ा सा patience चाहिए होता है और थोड़ा हाथ दुखता है उसको थप करने में. Otherwise, it is really good. You must try it out. If sometime the print doesn't come out perfectly, तो उसके बाद हम वापस उस पे properly align करके if we stamp it carefully, तो थोड़ा बहुत print we can improve. Want to change the color, so I'm washing my block. For washing I'm using a toothbrush and some hand soap and scrubbing it onto the block. I would recommend after finishing the painting you must wash your block as soon as possible, वरना अंदर color fill हो गया ना तो फिर design खराब हो जाएगी. To dry it completely, I kept it under the heater for a few seconds so that my paint doesn't smudge. Next I want to print a line of neon green paint, so I am dabbing it onto the block and then following the same process of printing, but here we need to be careful of aligning. Now when I am doing the second green print, I need to be careful of aligning it to the first green print as well as to the upper layer of orange print. If sometimes while applying paint थोड़ा कुछ thick particle आ जाता है तो be careful to remove that, वरना वो भी block print में दिख जाएगा और थोड़ा सा बिगड़ जाएगा. Now I'm repeating the same process to finish my block print. After doing the 3 lines, I decided to start from the bottom part like the same I have done on the top part. And again if some paint goes between the design तो उसको please remove कर देना, वरना वो design थोड़ी सी smudge हो जाएगी. Designs तो अच्छी बन रही थी, but I wish मेरे पास white cushion cover होता तो ये neon colors बहुत ही अच्छे से खिल कर आते. So if you have any white fabric, try on that first. बहुत अच्छे से डिज़ाइन खिल के आएगी. Next in the middle portion, I am going to stamp this elephant वाला wooden stamp by dabbing white acrylic paint on top of it. आप कोई भी foam brush या sponge use कर सकते हो. I am using different brushes for different colors, so that's why I am using round one for here. And yeah, dab it properly. First वाला elephant stamp में मैंने बहुत अच्छे से color नहीं लगाया था, तो वो थोड़ा light आया because बहुत ही minute design थी, तो I didn't know अगर मैं ज़्यादा लगा दूँगी तो कहीं smudge हो जाएगा. So yeah, after doing 4 other elephants, I decided to do once again by aligning it nicely with the design, and it came out really well and I'm happy with the outcome. This is how my block printing design came out. I really felt so happy after seeing it. ऐसे लग रहा था कि राजस्थान में किसी दुकान में पहुंच के गए हो. But yeah, I really liked it. Now I'll let the paint dry completely. ज़्यादा time नहीं लगेगा dry होने में. And then I'll remove the cardboard piece which we have placed at the start by folding it from the sides again. Next part is optional, but I'm going to attach two golden tassel on top of the cushion cover by just some simple stitches like around the tassel ring, and then tying some knot inside the cover. And yeah, final part is to insert the cushion filling, and our block printed cushion cover is ready, decorated on in your living room, bedroom, wherever you like it. So that's it for this video. I really hope you all liked it. If you recreate this or if you try block printing, then please tag me on Instagram or Facebook. All the links are given in the description box below, or you can also email me. I love to see your all artworks and I love to share them in my video. And yeah, it's a good community we are growing up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Let's reach 250k as soon as possible. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye. Love being creative. Bye bye.